Hello, Namaste. My name is Edith Shrestha. I am from Holy Land Adventure Tours and Travels. So you guys have been here in Nepal for almost a week,
Yes.
a week or so. So would you like to share your experience with us and how was our service? How was your experience?
First of all, namaste. So we planned our trip for Kathmandu, Chitwan, and Pokhara. It was brilliant. The locations were pre-planned. The bookings have been done with the prior notices to us. Everything was just so good. The people that we met throughout the journey, they were also very helpful. Especially the people who are there in the Holy Land, especially Arit and his father, Mr. Hari Bhakta. They were all there throughout, available for us. They were kept following up. How are we? I think it was brilliant experience for both of us.
Right. So, first of all, when we came, when we just entered Nepal, when we landed, so Eric gave us a very, very warm welcome with his local tradition, and that was the first most amazing experience that made us like Nepal in the first instance. So this is my first visit to Nepal, and yes, that was the most amazing thing that made us comfortable here. And after that, very well planned bus tours that Eric and Mr. Hari Bhakta Shrestha have arranged for us. And next, when we went to Chitwan, they arranged this. We had a lodge named as the Eden Jungle Resort. So we met another person there, Logic Shrestha. So he was also very kind person, and he helped us a lot. And also he helped us monetarily. They gave us money when we needed it. Obviously, we paid him later. So people are quite helpful here.
Quite warm and helpful
In
here.
our entire journey, people have been quite helpful
But
here,
however,
specifically.
Holy Land has been the best experience so far. We have been through, travel people all around, but this has been the best place and best experience
Yes,
so
I
far.
will definitely tell you that when you are traveling through an agency or you are hiring an agent, no one would keep your follow up. Specifically, if I talk about India, when you're going to make my trip or Goa, they won't follow you up with me. But Eric has always been on toes with us, always chatting with us over WhatsApp, and he has always been in contact with us so that we are not facing any kind of problems, or if we have any concerns, even with any kind of food, travel, or stay. Even while we are traveling, he has always been on a call with us, and always we have been comforting for us to let him know if we face any concern. So yeah, so
We
as
both
far as-
suggest
yes.
Holy Land for all our relatives
Yeah,
and
do
friends.
definitely try it. If you search on Google for traveling help for Nepal, there will be Holy Land Adventures, and definitely you should reach out to Mr. Hari Bhakta Shrestha. And obviously Eric would have a page on Google, I believe. So yeah, definitely he would provide you the contact numbers. Definitely reach out to them, and this is the best experience for anywhere I have traveled through any kind of person or through any kind of best experience.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.